Okay.
You did a great job.
Thank you so much.
And so the next thing is called What App, which means, so while we're answering questions from social media apps, we're going to have your first appetizer.
Okay, cool.
Okay? So let's start off easy. What's your favorite song? Do you have a favorite song? One of the interesting factoid about Rie is also when she edits, she listens to heavy metal.
Yes. Fun fact. I love heavy metal, but it's not all kinds of heavy metal. I didn't like heavy metal that much growing up, but my husband, he loves heavy metal. And one time I was listening and I just hooked. And I have this band called Mastodon, and my favorite album is Leviathan. I love it because, like, I don't know how to put it. I feel like they are craftsmen. Like,
so they're artists? They're good?
Yeah, because they play such a complex melody and loud, and like I just hooked. And Leviathan, it's great because one album is like whole story. So like it's not random.
It's intertwined?
Yeah.
Wow.
So this one song, every time I listen, it makes me cry.
Oh.
Do you know this song like Fast Car?
It sounds familiar. Okay, yeah. I don't know who it's by, but I've heard of it.
Let me see. It's an old song.
Okay.
It's just so sad.
Okay. And so you're just like at home crying, listening to it?
It's not like I don't choose it.
Oh, it just comes up.
When I'm at like drugstore, like Rite Aid, and all of a sudden if that song start playing, I cry.
In the middle of the store?
Yeah.
Wow.
And like the funny thing is like I was driving and like radio station was playing this song, but techno version.
Oh.
Still made me cry.
Is the lyrics that makes you cry?
Yeah, because Tracy Chapman.
Okay.
Because like this is really sad because like she wants to be somebody else. Oh. And that's like it makes me cry right now.
Oh. Maybe I'll like play a snippet of it in the thing. Like it's hot. I know.
No, I'm crying.
Oh, already?
Yeah. Oh my God. So I don't know what, but it gets me every time.
Guys, now you know if you meet Rie, give her tissues, play the song, give her like a snack so she can feel. No. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's move on and let's try and do some like rapid fire ones. So, what's your favorite dessert to make?
To make cream puff.
They're really fun, and she's amazing at them. Just don't eat the wasabi ones.
Russian red.
Yeah. What's your dream destination?
Oh, I would love to go Maldives.
Oh, the Maldives? Mm-hmm. Ooh, where is that in the world again? Like I know I've heard of it.
It's in
tropical.
Close to Sri Lanka.
Okay,
so it's like India, and it's like island.
I've heard it's really beautiful. Yeah, okay.
I want to go a lot of places. Like I would love to travel more in Southeast Asia, like Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore.
Did you watch Street Food yet?
No, yeah, I should watch it.
Because they do all that kind of region.
Yeah.
And oh my God, it's like, and I kind of, like sometimes we don't always get to watch food media because we like, make food media, but that was an enjoyable show for sure.
Indonesia as well.
They have really good food there.
Yeah.
How upset are you with Alix leaving Tasty?
1 to 100 scale, 100.
But we're also happy for her.
Yeah. So Alix recently announced that she left Tasty, and actually it happened a few months ago, like a couple months ago. And when I heard about it, I was, really sad and shocked and couldn't believe it. She's leaving because she sat next to me all the time, bother me.
And loud, hurts the ears a little bit.
But in a good, I miss that.
Yeah.
And she's such a like positive and like great energy and like so much fun to just like chat with her. So I miss her so much. We like some people assuming like on a comment on I Draw You Cook, like I don't think they're a friend, or like I think they hate each other. There is a tension.
No.
There is a tension because it's competition, but like we are good friends, and I love her so much, and I'm so happy that she's moving on, and I think she's like soul searching right now.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping she can find, like, I want her to be happy all the time. And we are still friends. We hung out.
Yeah.
But you know.
All is good in the ralix world, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
We are still ralix.
Ooh, do you have any phobias or fears?
Yes.
What?
You know that.
I probably once you say it, but feet?
Yes.
Wait, oh, this is a sad story. So, you guys, you have nobody. So, when I naturally sit, I like to cross my legs. And oftentimes, when I was at Tasty in meetings, I'd sit next to Rie. And oftentimes, I wouldn't even think about it and have my foot up. And then, like, halfway through the meeting or towards the end, she'd be like, Matt, can you please put your foot down? And I'd be like, oh. But yeah, is there a story behind that, or?
I don't know. I think maybe, like, in Japan, we take off shoes when you go, like, you know, when you come in somebody's house. So maybe, like, just seeing somebody's, like, shoes.
Like a dirty shoe?
Yeah. I don't want to touch it. Like, I don't want to be touched. So maybe that's why.
What's funny is because I think you mentioned that to me too, like earlier on maybe the first time I did it. And right now we are both wearing shoes, but since you said that, I actually have, like, I normally take off my shoes and I have little slippers, see?
Oh, nice.
Down there. So I do that around my house. I have my own, like, house slippers because of Rie. Do you have a favorite Disney movie? That's pretty topical.
Oh, wow. I loved Coco.
Yeah, oh my God. That was, I was going in being like, oh, I'm sure it'll be cute. It'll be like kid-like. And I was like blown away by, like, it was deep, made me cry. I was like, I should call my parents.
Yeah. And also Ratatouille.
Yeah.
Because I kind of look like the girl, Colette.
She's also a Halloween costume winner.
Second prize.
Second place.
Yeah.
You know what? They were robbed.
Yeah.
You should have won. Tell us about your husband.
Oh, okay.
Because one thing is so funny. I think I told Rie early on. I have like friends from home that like know of Rie and love Rie's videos, and they're like, can you tell her that we ship her with Adam from Worth It? And I was like, Rie's been married for years. And they're like, what? And so the people do not know that Rie has like a wonderful husband. So like, tell us about him.
Yeah, I have a wonderful husband. He exists. He's just very camera shy.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be, taking photo or anything, but he is most supportive person. He's super supportive what I do, and he give me just the best advice when I'm, when I feel stressed out, like I'm kind of lost in a direction. He gives me like on point advice anytime. Yeah, he's from Texas, and
he's great.
He's great.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Okay, and we'll do one more, and I think we'll move on to the actual dinner, the full-on dinner.
Oh yes.
Oh, I know the last one we have to do. So a few people sent, so most of these are from Rie's fans, obviously, but I got a few of them as well.
Okay.
And my favorite one was from Nikki.
Oh my God.
Nikki sent me one, and she said,
Nikki.
well, I guess it's more, not really a question, more just like a joke, but she says, show us your feet. There we go, you guys. She's conquering her fears.
She always
says that?
Because it's like our inside joke.
Yeah. But we love Nikki.
I love Nikki. We love Nikki.
Yeah, the world loves Nikki. But okay, that was What App.
Okay.
And what's nice is the fries, they stay here. We can enjoy them the rest of the night.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you soon. Real soon if you click one of the links, because there's more to watch. Okay, that's it. Bye.